Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize deductions using Keeper Tax, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Keeper Tax account. Ensure you have all your financial documents and receipts ready for the deduction process. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Click on the Deductions tab located on the left side of the screen. Review the categories of deductions available. Select the category that applies to your expenses. Click on Add New Deduction to start the authorization process. Enter the amount you wish to authorize for deduction. Input any additional details required, such as the date and description of the expense. Upload any relevant documents or receipts by clicking the Upload button. Ensure all information is accurate before proceeding. After reviewing, click the Authorize button to finalize the deduction. Monitor your deductions list for any pending authorizations. If needed, edit or delete any entries by selecting the appropriate option next to each deduction. Review your deduction summary regularly to stay updated on your finances. Utilize Keeper Tax's reporting tools to track your deductions over time. Once all steps are completed, log out of your account for security. Repeat this process for any additional deductions as necessary. Stay informed about any changes in tax regulations that may affect your deductions. Consult Keeper Tax's support resources if you encounter any issues during the process. This concludes the guide on authorizing deductions using Keeper Tax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.